So last year, I put on my Facebook page that I was going to get my mammogram and that I had not received a mammogram in a couple of years. So I decided this year to do something a little different as I get my mammogram this year. So a couple of questions I'll have for you if you don't mind ask questions. So the first question is, why do we have to get a mammogram every single year? I mean, if we're going to do the self-breast exams every month, then why is an annual mammogram required?
We recommend on a regular basis that women do a self-breast exam, especially since you're only seeing your provider maybe 1 month out of the year. Mm-hmm. Those other 11 months, something could show up in your breast that didn't show up previously. You may have a mammogram done earlier in the year, and unfortunately, maybe if something didn't get picked up, it was too small, the changes were not noticeable on the first mammogram, and that it shows up at a later date. So you want to do it on an annual basis, just in case some changes show that didn't show on the last exam.
What do we do for women who don't have the money and may not feel like they don't have the insurance and may not feel like they have the money to get their mammograms done regularly? What happens then?
Inova Healthcare has a big breast cancer center. They do a lot of help. They reach out to families. CDC has a website. They have a website out there for national prevention for cervical and breast cancer. So they've got some recommendations for places in the area. The American Cancer Foundation has something. We have Tiger Lily Foundation. We have different resources that are out there. So we don't want women not to get it done because of resources, but to be able to handle and talk with their providers to see if we can give them some recommendations.
How long does the actual procedure take? So I've done all the meeting with the doctor and all those types of things, but the procedure itself, how long should that take?
It usually takes about 15 minutes. We have to get a history on you, make sure nothing needs updating, family history, all that kind of stuff. The actual imaging itself is really very quick. We only take 4 pictures and it goes by really fast.
After you complete your breast exam or your mammogram, how long before you get the results?
We will get information maybe about 24 to 48 hours. Now, if they see something on that mammogram right then and there, usually I'm going to get a call within the hour after that person has had that scheduled. Because sometimes they will allow them to leave and then call back to reschedule some additional views or biopsies. And then the patient may have their hard copy probably in about a week, but I'll have something probably in about 48 hours.
That's a very fast turnaround. That's a very fast turnaround.
Pretty good.
Yeah, faster than I realized actually.
Yeah.
Cannot thank you enough for doing this with me. Thanks so much.
It's good to see you.
And you'll see me
Look forward to seeing you next year.
We'll not miss it. Thank you.
Thank you.